YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do, or Amazon, either or. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Oh baby. Here we go. Ooh. Now look at this. Coming from my good friends over at Redragon. Check them out. They got a lot of good computer accessories, from gaming mouse, keyboards, mechanical keyboards, anything for esports and up. Legend Chroma X. Legendary. Let's see, this helps a little. There we go. Okay, light switch mode, two programmable DPI buttons, 8mm anti-skid lightning roller. There's that little dude right there. One programmable power button, 16 side buttons, one mode switch, RGB backlighting. They got really good stuff though. They have a lot of good keyboards that I've been using, computer speakers. So you name it, they got it. And all you gotta do is click that link. Take a second to browse around. But if you like this item and if you're in the market for mouse, it's always good to have extra mouse around the house. Not the ones with 4 legs though. Unless it's a pet, that's fine. But for computers, definitely check these guys out because they're really good at what they do. You get the manual, but I mean it's pretty simple unless you're going to be programming the keys and that for gaming. Nice packaging as always. Very nice. Something down there. Jesus, it's like a little treasure box. Redragon. There we go. And I'm not sure. There's like 2, 4, 6, 8 rings. I think they're rings or clamps. There's something different. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go. Not sure what that is. That's pretty cool though. The nice little box right there. Micro. Definitely not a dongle. I believe this is only USB powered, which is fine. Like, I don't know. I think I'm liking more USB these days, so I don't have to worry about the battery dying out on you. Got the gold or no chrome. Oh, this feels good. Sure if you guys like it right there. Look at that. Oh boy. It's one of these alien technology type things. Alright, we'll have some fun with this. Nice bottom. They got these so it won't slide everywhere. You can always remove the sticker. I usually do. Sometimes I forget, but there's a little peel away. And then it's be good to go. For this, I think I do just plug it in. So right now my computer's updating. So that might take a minute. And I don't feel like going in my room right now. Another one there. So we'll just probably just plug it in. See how it goes. Once it's done, yeah, 60%. It might start picking back up, so we might use it. But of all days, you never know. Look at that though. What is this? Open, close. What are we opening? That's the mystery. Close it. I'm not sure what. Alright, now that's definitely closed. Add long HDMI cord. Or not HDMI, USB. That's a good size. Let's see if I can just plug it in it. See if the RGBs at least. Oh, it's gonna make me go. Is it? Alright, I'm gonna hop on the computer. Ooh, baby. Look at that. This is nice. Got the numbers all lined up. And it's moving pretty fast. You can always use the track or the, whatever this wheel's called. Mouse wheel. There we go. But definitely really nice. You got everywhere RGBs. You got the whole side. And here's one of the keyboards they have. This is definitely one of my favorites. This mouse is nice. And also, this is also my other favorite mouse. It's wireless and cord. See, I use the cord more than I do the Wi-Fi or the wireless. So, but yeah, either or, both great mouses they have. Well, they have tons of mouses, headsets, you name it, they have it. All you gotta do is click that link, check it out. They got a button right here. Oh, that's a clicker. Okay, see, watch. So there's like a 2-clicker. You can click using that, or you could click using that. See, it's kind of hard to show the clicking action, but that's what it's for. And then you can program your stuff all the way up to 16. So yeah, definitely it's nice and lightweight. Got numbers on the side. See, 1, 2, 3, 2. Okay, that's pretty cool. So the basic number keys, you can always do 100, keeping at 100 or 1, 2. So definitely nice coming from these guys. Alright, so thank you guys over at Redragon. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Links down below. Be safe. Stay cool. Stay inside. Relax. Winter is coming. Take it easy.